How to fix action not available on Roblox from your mobile. So if you're trying to like a game on Roblox and you're getting this error message, then what we need to do is first just open up the Roblox application. Click on More in the bottom right-hand side. Scroll down and click on Settings. Click on Account Info and you need to make sure your email address is verified. Now if it's not verified, you can click on Add Email. Then just go and enter your email address like so and press Add Email. Now as you can see, an email has now been sent for verification. So, here's what the email should look like. And we can just click on this Verify Email button. And that should go and verify your email address. You can now head back over to the Roblox app. Go in, refresh the account information page, and as you can see, our email is now verified. So what we can do is head back over to the home page, go and click on the game that you want to like. Make sure you've previously joined this game in the past. You can then click on the thumbs up or the thumbs down arrow to go and like this game. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.